At Internorm, regarding entrance doors, we mentioned previously and we discussed previously about our entrance doors derived from our window frame systems, our timber framed and our uPVC frame systems. We also have additionally main entrance doors, and they're aluminium based. They're aluminium external and internal, with insulating cores to make very, very good energy efficient doors, soundproof doors, but probably most importantly of all, very secure doors. And they are tested and approved by Secure by Design and PAS 24 rated as well. With our main entrance door range, they offer a variety of accessories. And as we show on this one today, and this is one of the designs available, there are many, we have LED lighting at the threshold. This can be included at handle level, so for nighttime entry, etc. It can be very, very useful indeed. In addition to that, we have a range of hardware with regard to handle options, etc. And also locking systems as well, which include electronic locking systems. And this can be very useful for multi-occupancy buildings such as student accommodation, blocks of flats, etc. because it can be linked directly with some form of access control. With regard to the doors themselves, very, very solid construction and hardware to make them very secure, as I mentioned, but also low threshold, which comply with Part M for mobility access to the doors as well.